In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a thumbnail in GIMP. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along and create a clean, YouTube-ready design without getting lost in menus. First, we need a correctly sized canvas. Go to File, then New. In the dialog that appears, set the width to 1280 and the height to 720. Make sure the units are in pixels, since that's the standard for YouTube thumbnails. You can leave the rest of the settings at their defaults. Click OK, and GIMP will create a fresh canvas at the perfect 16:9 size. We're going to repeat that once more to ensure we're consistently working at the right dimensions. Again, go to File, New, type 1280 by 720 pixels, and click OK. Now, you have a clean, correctly sized workspace to build your thumbnail. Next, let's resize any image on the canvas so it fits the frame nicely. Select the Scale tool by pressing Shift+S, or choose it from the toolbox. Click on the image layer you want to adjust. You'll see handles around it. Drag a corner handle to scale. If you want to keep the proportions intact and avoid stretching, use the aspect ratio lock in the tool options before dragging. You can drag outward to fill the canvas or inward to leave space for text. When you're happy with the size, confirm the change by clicking the Scale button in the dialog. Take a second to check the edges so nothing important is cut off, and make sure your subject is placed where it draws attention, typically toward the center or on a rule of thirds line. Now add your title. Select the Text tool by pressing T. Click on the canvas where you want the headline to appear, and start typing your title. In the tool options, you can adjust the font, size, and color. Choose a bold, readable font and make the text large enough to be legible at a small size. High contrast is key. Light text on a dark background or dark text on a light background works best. If your text blends into the image, try a stronger color or increase the size for clarity. Keep it short and impactful so it's easy to read at a glance. Use line breaks if needed to stack words neatly and maintain balance on the canvas. That's it. You've set the correct canvas size, scaled your image to fit, and added a clear, readable title. Everything you need for a clean GIMP thumbnail.